now?
No, the wind blew it off the trees.
No, I know, but that doesn't look like there's a lot on the floor anymore.
Snow kind of melted.
But look, there's still no trees over there.
We can now see through the clearing. Although there has been a war out there. And all the branches are down. And all the trees are chopped.
Well, they're not chopped. They fell.
They've been chopped. It was worse before, but we cannot film before because we're sleeping. Oh, look at that one, look at that one. Oh.
Well, our tree survived.
Our pine cone tree survived. Ooh, boo.
Even our little tree over there survived.
Yeah, but everything else survived.
What happened to all those trees?
They didn't make it.
There's only one. Does it go by itself?
It's because they didn't have leaves.
Who's dead?
Blizzard, Friday, October 13th, 2006. I was passing through. You were in the way. It's not my fault. Cover right now. Cannot see messy. Move.
They shoveled their stuff. Tell them to come over here.
Do they have power?
I don't know. Oh, it's an electric snowblower, right?
Oh, probably. I'm opening the door. Yeah, but now everything doesn't look as pitiful as before.
Yeah, why is that?
Stupid wind.
Look at all the pretty leaves.
They're all colorful and on the floor. There's much snow. That's not bad outside.
We have a generator. What's the noise?
Snowblower.
I don't see it. And that noise was there before.
Yeah, I saw the little kid doing it.
No, I mean it was there this morning when it looked pitiful outside.
Oh, look at the tree across the street over there. Do you see?
What?
The tree across the street over there.
Which way?
Look. Go down.
Oh.
I can't film because this camera's kind of crappy.
There are no cars across the street. It's the same one as before.
No, further down there's cars.
It doesn't even look high.
Wait.
The snow doesn't even look high.
Because it's melting. That's why we have a flood warning. Duh. I'm gonna look beautiful out here with my robe. Can't do it. Wearing Baseland. Poor tree. Didn't survive. Can you see it? Can you see that tree over there? The shed survived. We know that's stable. Everything's falling off. Da na 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 na. Da na na na. We'll get a better issue of the state of things later on. Hasta luego.